Hello friends. So today we are going to see how we can set up the n8n environment for our automation. Since we know in the AI era, automation and AI is really important. So let's proceed. So first what we must have is Node.js you should have. So for this, we are going to use the Choco package with which we are going to install the Node.js. Choco install Node.js hyphen LTS. Sorry, hyphen LTS hyphen Y. I will just once recheck if the command is okay. Yes, it is okay. Now we'll just run the command. So make sure you have Choco installed. Using the Choco package, you can install the NA software easily. Since we are the developers, we should use this method to install the software. Otherwise, what would be the different, right? So our node is getting installed. We'll wait. Now, n8n in today's time is I could see it is really in demand, and if you know how to use it, it will be really helpful, guys. So we'll definitely see the n8n videos in the future, like how we can use it, how we can perform how we can perform work on it, everything. So once it is installed, as we could see that the install was successful, software installed. Now we can check, we can see npm-v. Oh, sorry, it is not giving npm-version. Node hyphen wait, is it or not? It will not giving. It should have given. Let me check once if it is installed or not. Up here it was. Maybe in my CMD, if I do that, I will be able to see it. Node hyphen v. Let's check. Yep, we are getting it here. Since we have installed the node successfully, now we will install the n8n using the npm package. npm install n8n-g. That will be the command. npm install hyphen g n8n. Think I need to leave this since this is in administrator access and use it here. First I will check if npm is there. Yes, npm is there. npm install hyphen g n8n. Now let's do that. Yep, installation has been started for the first time. It will take some time. Okay guys, meanwhile it is getting installed. Let me close this and reopen, and we will, sorry, we'll go to homes and we'll ask what is n8n. Let's see. So for to show you guys, I've done this so you all will be aware. n8n is open source workflow automation platform that lets you connect apps, APIs, and services into the custom workflows using the visual Node.js based interface. When I will show you guys how it looks like. So it's kind of a workflow where you will implement the separate tool to automate the every process. So at that moment you won't have to do anything. Everything will be automated using the n8n. I will share the document and everything on my video. What is n8n? It is still getting installed. Yep. It is moving forward. As we can see, it is installing the modules using the node module, node lang chain. Python is everywhere, guys, in today's world. It should be installed with a bit. I just wanted to show you guys everything live. That's why I didn't stop the recording. Let's see through it. You can see the complete log. It will be installed with a few minutes. Meanwhile, let's go through here what AI gave us. Open source and fair code, key feature of n8n, visual flow builder, integration, self-hosting, AI capabilities. So yes, we can for now in the n8n we can use the OpenAI and Google Gemini. Since version 2 has been launched, there will be some new feature as well in the n8n version 2. Meanwhile, you cannot directly use any other AI tools, but we can implement it. There is a way, just like if you want to use Perplexity AI in your n8n workflow, you will be able to use it, not directly, but still you will be able to use it. There will be a separate nodes where you will define your automation. Send an email will be a separate node. Query database will be a node. Triggers, workflow starts, execution will happen, and we can customize it as per our workflow. Let's see, it's still installing. Okay. Learning curve easier than coding from scratch, but more complex than simple no-code tools like Zapier. Yes, guys. Meanwhile, I've worked on n8n. You would see it's not like just you have created the workflow after putting certain image here and there. You would need to provide a proper parameter and proper connection between the workflows, provide the connection when to trigger, how to trigger, and customize everything. There will still be knowledge required. It's not like that you just put the thing and everything is working automatically. Okay, guys. In short term, n8n is like a Zapier or Make, but more developer friendly and open source. It is ideal if you want automation freedom without being locked in the vendor's ecosystem. I will share this. Meanwhile, our n8n is still getting installed. So for this demo, I already am giving this demo in a new system. So n8n will take time. In my old machine, n8n is already installed. I just wanted to show you guys from the start. So I thought it would be good if you can see that what things are going there. You can see it. We have AWS SDK as well. Now, yes, added 1819 packages in 5 minutes. So n8n is installed, guys. Now either you can do the n8n start or you can do the just n8n. You will just do the n8n and then we'll wait for few seconds. We should get a URL from where we can access our n8n. Yep, press O to open in a browser. I will just press O and it will open it, guys. For the first time, it will ask your email, first name, password, set up an owner account. I will just provide my name, second name. Remember the password, guys, so you won't forget it. Customize your role. We can start. If you want the free license key, you can get it as well. For now, we can skip it. So here you are in your n8n workflow. Start from scratch. If you click it, this is how it will look like. Here you can add your workflow. Just like you can, I want a manual trigger. So I will click on the manual trigger and this will be one node. And then what I want chat, quick chart. Let's see what. So we need to see and set up these stuffs. If you see here it is, that's how, and there will be multiple things. That's how the workflows will look like, and you can set up it. From here you can parameterize separate stuff, and from here you can go back. Also there is one thing, leave without saving. From here in the credential section you guys can set up the credential, either the Gemini and either the OpenAI. Thank you guys, that's all for today. In the next session we'll do one practical demo of n8n. Please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for the support, guys.